Hey guys, I just got back from an amazing 3-day hunt where research does pay off. However, just because you have the proper paperwork and permission doesn't mean you're not going to get hassled a little bit. So I found this place. There's a lot of history. It goes back to the 1850s. All right, and you're going to see some coinage from that time as well that I dug up. But anyways, guys, make sure in Washington State you follow all the rules and regulations, because it's starting to get a little bit of a pain in the butt to detect. A lot of counties are banning it. Just make sure you do your research. I did, and I had permission. I'm probably not going to go back there because of all the hassle that it came with it. But anyways, guys, check out some of these amazing finds I found.
You got to go and dig those holes.
Man, I'm tired.
With broken hands and withered souls, emancipated from all you know. You got to go and dig those holes.
Man, you slow, bro. D10. Oh, that's what we're doing. We're singing. Y'all know nothing about that. Watch me. Watch me. Come on, Ed. Come on, Ed. Prove yourself.
Dig it out, dig it. Dig it out, dig it out, dig it. Dig it out,
Well, I finally found something small. Oh, sweet. That is what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Machine gun. Look at that, guys. That is what I'm talking about. It might even be silver. Oh, yeah, dude. Well, I just cleaned it up a little bit more, and I do think it's silver. And all my buddies are texting me right now also say it's silver. Cleans right up. I'm just gonna toothbrush it when I get home. It goes like on top of a metal, then it goes to this, and maybe if they have an expert or sharpshooter, I forget, and then it dangles down here as well. Actually, Jesus, I should know this. Ribbon, and then the metal goes on the bottom. There we go. Now I remember. Well, that sounded good. Old style key. How old do you guys think this is? It's like old, dark black and green, olive colored. Looks like an applied top, maybe. I don't know what this is, but it's very, very heavy. Ball hitch? No idea. It was right on the surface. Well, it was pretty darn deep. Of course, it's not a hunt without a 65. Nothing else besides that buffalo so far. Alright, let's just keep at it. Maybe there's gotta be more somewhere. Well, this looks weird. I have no idea what it is. Some sort of hinge. Maybe it closes? Oh yeah. Closes like that. Any idea, guys, on what this could be? It's got a little hole right there on both sides, and it closes. Still. Well, found myself another harmonica reed. It's kind of cool. There is so much iron all right here that this won't even ring up. Just an old shotgun shell. Paper wadding. Interesting. A lot of stuff out here, especially on the surface. Old olive glass. All sorts of cool stuff. I think I got big silver. Haven't looked at it yet. Looks like a quarter. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's a freaking seated quarter. It's a freaking seated quarter, guys. 1876. Oh, I can't see it. Oh my God. Yes. All right. I am hunting pretty darn close to land, and I just found this. I'm going to stay here for a little bit longer. Just found a piece of brass, kind of shaped weird. Maybe it's aluminum, I don't know. It's kind of shining up yellow. Interesting. Might be a medical bracelet that's got beat up, or maybe the end of a spoon. Who knows? Well, guys, I think I just found surface silver. You see it right there? Oh. I got no idea. Oh, yes I do. It's another freaking seated, guys, on the surface. Jeez. Alright, this is crazy. Alright, guys, I see big and green. Big and green. It's got some writing on it. LLL. L. 4 L's. Some sort of pen. Definitely some fancy going on here. I've seen this before, I just don't remember. A 4 L's little pin. All sorts of fancy on it. I'm gonna take it home and clean it up. Well, when you read it, it says F-R-A-I-M or N. Fram, little lock. Well, it looks like I got another freaking $50. Check it out. 3 scoops down, right here. Another walker. It ain't that bad. $1942. I think it was the same year as my other one. 42S. Heck yeah, guys. I'm gonna keep going. That was a bad signal. It was overloading and everything. Such a beautiful coin. Beautiful patina. Alright, let's do a live dig. Solid mid-tone. We're finding a lot of this sheets of copper. Oh, that's a clamshell. Alright, let's get back to it. Found something fancy, guys. It's broke. Probably off a dresser pull or something. Maybe a car? I have no idea. Definitely went to something. Try a live dig. Oh, shallow. And overloading. Another hunk of copper. Yep. That is definitely an old lock. It is so light that the iron doesn't ring up. It's just this little brass piece. I don't think I can do electrolysis on it. Yeah, it's way too far gone. Oh well. Keep looking for some more cool stuff. Well, it sounded like a mid-tone. Right here. It's a penny. Just a weedy. Get back to it. It looks like I found myself an IHP 1906. Hi, puppy. IHP on the board. Kind of beat up. I think I got me some more silver, guys. It says 1 dime. Oh, just a barber. I think it's 1901. Not sure. I'm gonna keep at it. Slowly picking out some stuff. Mainly Wheaties. What? Got more silver. I think I have another $50. I do. Another walker. Right on the freaking surface. Jesus. Alright, let's go find some more. Pretty beat up, I'm pretty sure. That's a leg, and that's a buffalo. A little beat up one. Actually, yeah, I can see it now. Another buffalo. Well, I think I found silver. Yep, SLQ. Heck yeah, I will take that. Oh, I think I got another silver, guys. Just a G-dub. $58. Well, I just found something that says hazardous powder. And it's lead. Any ideas? Silver wax thing. I got no idea what this is. And it's a barber. Talk about a trifecta, guys. Heck yeah. I don't get it. Next target, 2 scoops down, vice the 1 scoop for the barber. I got a clad. I don't understand it. Oh, just a 1990. I don't know, that's kind of high pitch. Might be silver. Now it sounds really weird. Might be 2 targets. Might be multiple targets. There's multiple targets here. I'm all confused now. Here we go. Big hunk of lead. And this sounds thin. I think I saw it. No, I guess I didn't. Yep, more lead. I'll get back to it, find something good. Crusty, but I can definitely see the old wreath, and it says 1 cent, so Another IHP. Alright guys. Alright. I think I did it. Check out how small this silver is. Yeah, I got sat down. Yeah, guys. Halftime. Oh! We'll have to do some research, guys. I don't know if you can get a good video. I'll get a better one at the wrap up, but it looks like a 1863. I don't know if there's a mint mark in the back or not. I really don't think I should clean this, but I'll look at it at the wrap up. Baby silver. If you notice, after finding that half dime, I let Marie use my metal detector. Guess what her first target ever was? So I am mad at her because it's right on the freaking surface. No, you did not. It's a freaking barber half. Oh my God. 1902. You butthead.
It doesn't count because I'm using your detector.
Yeah. 1902 S. Oh my God. Oh. Well, she just found this old buckle or latch or something. I thought it was Civil War at first, just because of the stuff we've been finding. I swear if she finds a belt plate or something, I don't know what I want to do. Let's do a live, dude. Mid-tone that dances. Oh, there we go. Speaking of which, no, it just snapped it in half. Harmonica reed. I think I got myself a lead freaking spoon, but check out the pattern on it. It's very, very bendy. Very fancy. Some writing on the back that I can't read. Another nickel type coin. And another buffalo. That side's crusty, but you can kind of see the buffalo right there. Well, yet again another surface find. Right there. Mark. Not gonna be able to get a date off that. Nice little silver mark on the surface. This place is crazy. Right there. Of course. It's just a modern day Jefferson. Right next to the Merc. Well, same hole as this old fishing reel. IHP. $19.05. Oh, I think I got myself some silver, guys. I do. Just a G-dub. $43. I think S. Two big silvers. Well, I was chasing a high tone or a mid-tone at first, but now I got a high tone and a mid-tone. About time. About freaking time. V-nickel. See if I can clean up the date. Oh, she cleaned up okay, actually. Huh. 1897. And this is IHP. What the heck? ironclad dime in the same freaking hole. Oh, I got myself another nickel, guys. I dropped it. I don't know where I put it. The nickel. There it is. I got no idea what it is. It's another buffalo. I can. It's more like I can't find any gold. I just dug up another nickel signal. I got no idea. It's very slick, but I know it's very old. I think my best guess is it's a V, but I don't know. I might have to brush it to clean it. Very interesting. Well, got myself another nickel. Oh, I think I got another Buffy. I do have another Buffy. It landed straight up. There's the buffalo. There's the Indian. Sweet. I might have a coin. Oh, it's dancing like lead. Oh, I see it. It is a... Or else I can't tell, it's just a beat up penny. Try to do the fingernail thing. Oh, see the shield. I don't know if we'll focus. IHP. We'll check it out. It's right on the surface, right there. And it is toasted. Oh, I can see it barely. Buffalo. Well, check out this little button, guys. Oh, I think it's a button. It's got a shank and some fancy on it, but it kind of goes all the way through. Right on the surface. Alright guys, time for the wrap up, but stay tuned for a little bit of bonus footage at the end. Alright guys, here's my 3-day total. So first, found these two, as you saw. That was at a place where I found this, my only little itty bitty piece of gold since I've been here. That place is still producing. But anyways, off to the good finds of the day. So after cleaning, I found out this little guy is a 1942 Canadian. So basically Canadian wheat. I didn't throw all my wheats in here because they're still cleaning. I currently have them in a hydrogen peroxide and white vinegar solution, just to try to get most of the crud off. I do need to invest in a rock tumbler. But here are some of my IHPs. Doubt you can see any detail. However, this one looks very interesting. It just doesn't look right. I don't know. Maybe because it's beat up, but the Indian doesn't look right. What do you guys think? I ended up with 10 buffaloes, in 3 V's. The 1897 turned out very pretty for being in the salt water and sand for a while. Ended up with this one, this is 1906. And the one that I couldn't figure out was the Slick Rick. It is one, mainly because I can see a 190 blank. I got no idea the last digit, and I had to scrape it up to see it. The first day I didn't really shoot any video, but I ended up finding a couple Mercs and a Washington and a Barber. But here's some of the Mercs, and then the Barbers. That's the 1901, 1907, and that's the 1899 that came out looking pretty. Check out this Merc. Which one is it? This one. I don't know if this has got a little counter strike in the middle or someone carved it. There's definitely a little detail going on in there. It's a perfect circle. I don't know. Like this side's all beat up. It's a worn Merc, but right in the center. I gotta do some electrolysis. I ended up with 3 G-dubs, an SLQ. Obverse looks real good too, but no date. A Barber, which I can see a 1, a 9, and another 1, but right where it discolors is where the other number is, and I can't tell. And 2 seated quarters. One I decided to try to do some electrolysis on, and I messed it up. I don't know if you can see any of the arrows right here pointing that way, but that's the other side of this, where the arrows come out right here. It's the only detail you can see on the one I did electrolysis on. I'm not gonna do that again. 1876. My second seated. For the big silvers, saw the 42 Walker. It's a 1920 Walker, and Marie's surface find, the 1902 S Barber. Very thin. And this cool little lead pewter for Hazard's powder. Now this place has a lot of history. So check it out. In 1843, Mr. Hazard bought a small portion of the Loomis brothers. Hazard and partner Alan Denslow formed a joint stock venture called the Hazard Powder Company. Hazard moved his family back to Connecticut, where they settled in Enfield to find a better place to run the company. They had 100 separate mills across 400 acres of land in an area known as Hazardville. During the Civil War, the company supplied 40% of the gunpowder used by the Union Army. Success, however, did not increase safety. An inherently dangerous business, explosions were common in the mill, and in 1913, one of the tremendous blasts destroyed the powder company. The blast was so powerful that Hartford residents heard it 20 miles away. Now what's crazy is I want to know how this looks like the older version, not from the 19-teens. This might be from the 1800s, but how did it even reach all the way over here in Washington? That's the story I want to know. Anyways, back to the jewelry. I got this nice little mother of pearl pendant. I thought it was a locket, but looking at the back, there's no evidence of a clasp. It's mother of pearl. But this little, I thought this was bent, like I hit it, but this little clasp is very thin. I wonder if you were supposed to put like a picture here and it was supposed to go through, or I don't know, I thought this was part of the clasp, but there's nothing on this side. No hinge or nothing. And it's not marked, however I did test it right there, as you can see. Test for silver. So I don't know if this is a pendant or a locket still. I'm more confused now. And then this machine gun part to a ribbon, which I believe, if I remember, it goes from World War II to about Vietnam era. And I tested it, and it did test for silver as well. And for the find of the week, I thought it was an 1853, but there would have been arrows. This is actually an 1863 S half dime. My favorite coin, besides my gold coin, found, but my favorite out of Washington so far. This is what it's all about. Alright guys, please like and subscribe. I really want to get to 1,000 and I will do a very sweet giveaway. Alright, until next time, good luck, happy hunting, and always dig it. Decisions. Sold out. Well, check that out. Purple glass. It's almost like a heart. Oh, that would have been fancy. Sounded weird. And this is why. Nice old pocket knife. Still might be able to save it. I don't know. Nah, that's all rusted out. Definitely wood right there. Cool. Check out some of this old glass. It's like an old wine bottle. Black glass. Definitely hand blown. Old school. All sorts of old stuff on the surface here.